has changed. You with your friends, but
Guys, good evening. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Yeah, so you're welcome to another beautiful vlog. And if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Precious, a mom YouTuber that based in Asaba, Delta State of Nigeria. So you're highly welcome. Please do not make this your last time of coming. Please consider subscribing to the channel, okay? So guys, today's vlog is basically going to be an unboxing vlog. Yeah, I have a lot of things that I will be unboxing today. Let me not say a lot of things. I just have about 2 things that I want to unbox today, and I would love to carry you guys along. I would love to do the unboxing with you guys, okay? So right now I remember that I have something that I'm supposed to unbox. I know some people might be wondering, is this what the unboxing is all about? Is it because of this small thing that you want to do unboxing? Yeah, to you it might look small, but to me it's big. Like whenever I'm unboxing anything that has to do with my filming, so it's used to give me joy. Like anytime that I acquire anything like for my filming, like for my vlogging, it used to give me joy. Like even if the thing is small, like even if I buy, like, let me just say, earpiece for my filming, it used to give me joy, as if I bought a car, as if I bought a land. Like I don't understand. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I mean, because I don't just know how to explain it, but it gives me joy whenever I am able to buy something for my YouTube, for my content creation. Yeah, so yesterday I bought something. I went to the shopping mall. I went to Gap shopping mall here in Asaba to buy alien ice cream, and in fact for a long time I've been willing to buy this two that I bought. So luckily yesterday I saw it at the mall, and yeah, and I bought it. I decided to buy it, so I'll be unboxing it with you guys. Yeah, so I'm so happy, I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys. So let me dive into that, okay? So guys, we have the thing that you're supposed to, that want to unbox. Yeah, so and we're going to be doing the unboxing together. So it might look small. This is actually a car stand. Yeah, so I got this at the mall yesterday. I've been willing to buy this for a very long time. I've been asking a lot of people if they have it, but it turns out that they don't have it. So, and to me, have not been opportune to go to like markets, all these big or Bogonogo market to buy it, because I know that is the only place I can see it apart from all these big shopping malls. So, but for long now I've not gone to Obogonogo market. So yesterday I saw this at the mall and I decided to buy it. So I'm so happy. Like, it's not, if I'm going out, I'll just be looking for someone to vlog the route for me. Sometimes I'll just be driving with one hand and I'll be filming. No, I don't just like it. So I'm happy that I now have my car stand where I can easily make my video inside car, when I'm going outside, when I'm traveling. Like if I want to do road tour, I can easily do it because I now have my car stand. So I'm excited. Yeah, so let's see what is inside. Okay, so let's do the unboxing together. Okay. So this is what we have here. Oh my goodness, I think this one is supposed to cover this thing, so this is what we have here. Yeah, I don't even know how to fit this. I don't know if I can actually fit this in myself. Oh my goodness. I just pray I'm able to fix this thing. So this is how it is. Oh god, how am I going to fix? Is it like this? Okay, I think I can fix it myself. Like, no, I think it's here. How do I fix this thing? Okay. Hope it's like this one. Then I'll just stick it on it. I think it's like this. I think it's like this. Then I'll just stick this side on the car. Then whenever I want to film, if I want to turn it, I can easily turn it around. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm so happy. Like I am so happy. I'm so happy, guys. So right now I'm going down now to stick it on my car. Let me test it, okay? Okay. Okay. You can actually move it around. Like if you stick it, if you want to. Wow, it's long. This one not it's like is a long neck. So you can actually shift it, adjust it to the location that you want, that kind of thing. So you can actually move it, shift it to any location, any angle that you want. So it's a long neck, as you can see, it's long. So let me go to my car and stick it and do experiment with it. Okay, so let's go, guys. So guys, I'm inside my car now, and yeah, I want to do the experiment. Oh my goodness, this place is hot. Oh my goodness, is he here? So guys, I finally succeeded. Yeah, and I'm filming with my car stand. Yeah, so I was able to do it almost. This thing, it really took me a lot of time to figure out how to fix this thing inside car. Hey, and it's raining now. Once I fix it there, and the thing will just follow me and come out. I don't know how to fix it, and I have to enter YouTube. I have to enter YouTube, and I saw how they did it. There is this thing there that when you place, like when you stick the thing to the dashboard, you are supposed to press that thing down so that the pressure will hold on that. Like the I don't know if I should say the pressure from that thing now will just hold the thing stick on the dashboard. But before I was not doing it that way. So once I stick it, the thing will just come out. If I say, I was like, oh God, how are they doing this thing now? How are they doing this? If I from one card the beach until I was even calling my husband though. I called him video call so that you teach me how to do this. Just imagine she couldn't come. Hey God. Oh wow. But last I've done it. Yeah. So I can now easily film inside my car without holding my phone like this, stressing myself, that kind of thing. Oh my goodness. So I'm happy, guys. Yeah, though the brightening that I'm getting inside my car is not giving. I don't know if it's because of the weather, because summer is raining. It's raining. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's raining. So you can see it. I don't even know how I'm going to come up from this corner. Oh God, it's raining. So I'll talk to you guys.
One eternity later.
Guys, this is after 4. Yeah, the baby girl wants to go out. Yeah, I want to go and collect my wig. I'm revamping my wig. Like my two of my wig, I'm revamping it. Mona, why are you removing all this? So I put it back now. What's the problem now? Why are you removing this fancy? Why are you removing the fancy on the leather slippers? So I'm revamping 2 of my wigs. So and now, yeah. Let me drive out so I will not keep our security guard waiting. So right now I want to go and collect the wig, and I also bought a wig from the person that is revamping the wig. So this is actually my first time of buying something from the person. So yeah, I don't know if the person deliver. In fact, you guys will do the judgment for me. Once I get the wig, you guys will judge it for me. Okay, so yeah, let's head there together. Okay, so let's go, guys. Before you close your eyes and open it, you will just see rain. What are you saying?
I said say pee pee pee, so I'll say pee pee.
Say pee pee pee, how?
You say pee pee pee.
Eh?
Say pee 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 pee.
See yourself. Say what?
Say pee pee pee.
Are you saying pee pee pee?
I say pee pee pee.
Is he not saying pee pee pee?
I say
you don't blow horn anyhow.
Pee pee pee.
Pee pee pee.
Pee pee pee. You want the bus? Pee pee pee. Oh,
Through the town.
If open the water, fish, 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 fish. If open the water, fish, fish, fish. Oh, shoot. It got. Go.
Don't worry, another one go happen to it. No, she's going to take your time.
Mommy.
So guys,
Mommy.
we'll talk to you guys when we get home. Yeah,
Mommy.
she's not around, so I'll have to wait for her a little. She went to buy something, so yeah. You guys will give me. I'll catch up with you guys later, okay? When I get home. Yeah, so guys, good evening. This is the same day. We are still on 1st of August 2024, and it's getting late anyways, so I just want to hurry up and do this vlog, like film this vlog before it will become dark, more darker. Yeah, so today, I don't know, should I say today just basically unboxing, like what is going on, what is going on this channel. Unboxing upon unboxing. Who they check out, like what is going on. So guys, I'm back from where I went to pick my package, and here I have my package. I'm so excited. Like today is girlfriend's day, and I've gotten my own girlfriend gift, like my own gift from my husband, man. Yeah, so so guys, we're going to be testing this wig all together. You guys are going to be the one. I just want to adjust a little so that you guys will have a full view of it. Yeah, so you guys are actually going to be the one to judge this week for me. Yeah, but I know she delivered. Like, this is actually my first time of patronizing this lady, and she gave me exactly what I wanted. The texture of this hair is something else. Like, it was actually my friend that recommended her to me. So when I was in need of where to get my closure for that my wig that my husband bought for me from Vietnam, so I needed a place where I can buy the closure. So my friend directed me to her, and she really delivered. So I now decided to use her for this week. So initially I was scared because all these hair vendors, they have really doubts with me, like, so I was really scared at first, but honestly she delivered. Like, she's going to be my main club, and the location is awesome, so no need of all this and where we wahala, delivery stuff and all that. So I now have a vendor, so I cannot beat my chest and tell you I have a vendor, a hair vendor here in Assam. And please, if you want to patronize that, you can as well. Don't worry, when you see the hair, I will not do small advert for her, okay? So let's dive into that, guys. So this is what we have in here. We have this. She gifted me this. I think this is water spray. Like, I can actually put water on it for the spray, because the hair that I bought is coils. Yeah, so I can actually just put water on this and I'll be spraying it on the hair. So yeah, she gifted me this. Why I bought this big one, because I don't have big one, so I bought this one. Yeah, so, and the odogu itself is here. Yeah, so this is how the hair came. This is how the hair came. It's already wig. Yeah, so it's already wig. Oh my goodness, my guys, the lushness of this hair is something else. Can you feel it? Can you feel the lushness of this hair? Like, this hair is just giving me 100 over 100. Oh my goodness, like the strands, the texture. Oh my goodness, I just feel like lying down on this hair to sleep. Like the texture, the strands, the coil. I just love the hair. It's giving 100 over 100, like minus nothing. 100 over this is the wet look. Yeah, because I tried the dry look and I also wet it there, so I can actually check the wet look as well. So yeah, so this is what the hair is looking like. So lushy, so full. This is 200 gram. Like, this is 200 gram, but it's giving like 300 vibe. Honestly, this is wet look. If you see this hair when it's dry, you know, go with this hair at 200 gram. So she really delivered, honestly, and I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. Baby girl is happy. I am happy. So let's test the wig. Is yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, this is 5x5. It's 5x5 closure. Yeah, it's 5x5 closure. Yeah, this is 5x5. so I can actually install it as frontal. Yeah, so in case if I have events that I want to go, so I can actually install it as frontal. So if he loves you, I am really grateful. Honestly, you delivered. Me, I was doubting you initially. I was having trust issue because I don't to collect for this heaven look hand. So initially I was scared, but my dear, you delivered. You delivered. See me now. See the hair. So guys, what do you have to say about this hair? What do you have? This is PC Koi. What do you have to say about this hair? Let me set it to. So you guys will be the judge. Judge this hair for me. Judge this hair for me, guys. It's so full, like over full. They worry this hair. I swear. Over full. They worry. So guys, you guys should judge this hair for me. Judge this hair for me. Judge this hair. I wish I can turn back for you guys to see. Judge this hair for me, guys. She delivered. No cap. No cap. She really gave me what I want. This is not a case of what I want versus what I got. This is a case of what I wanted versus exactly what I like, what I ordered versus what I got. No cheating. I'm so happy. So now I have a PC card. Like, oh my goodness, I'm so happy. And this is actually a gift from hubby. I don't know if I said it at the beginning of this vlog. This is actually a gift from my husband, man. I'm grateful to him, and may God continue to bless him. Open more ways for this man. Open more ways for this my husband, man. Okay, so I'm happy, guys. So what do you have to say about this hair? Oh my goodness, the hair is giving. The hair is hairy. It's herring. So guys, yeah, this is just the end of this vlog. So the end of this vlog. I am really grateful, and I will be ending this vlog. Beautiful people, good evening. Yeah, so guys, good evening. This is the same day. Yeah, we are still on 1st of August 2024, and it's getting late anyways, so I just want to hurry up and do this vlog, like film this vlog before it will become more darker. Yeah, so today, I don't know, should I say today just basically unboxing, like what is going on on this channel. Today is basically unboxing up